Hello friends, myself Samruddhi Devidas Rajguru. I am student of 8th standard. My academy is all-in-one classes Sultanpur. My seminar topic is important disease of present day. Important disease of present day. Dengue is spread by Aedes aegypti. In this disease caused by DN14 virus belonging to the type of follower. Symptoms of dengue: eyes pain, headache, fever, vomiting, etc. Swine flu: infections of swine flu occurs through pigs and humans. Virus of swine flu are spread through secretion of nose, throat, and saliva. Symptoms of swine flu: difficulty in breathing, sore throat, and body pain. AIDS: acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. In this disease caused by HIV. HIV means human immunodeficiency virus. In this disease, victims suffer from various diseases due to progressive weakening of natural immunity. Diagnosis of AIDS cannot be confirmed without test in medical laboratories. ELISA testing used for its proper diagnosis. Symptoms of AIDS are person-specific. My second topic is infections through animal disease. Rabies. Rabies is a fatal disease. However, rabies in fatal disease, it occurs due to the infected dog, rabbit, monkey, cat, etc. Virus entrains the brain via neurons. Hydrophobia is one of the important symptoms of this disease. In this cause, the victim shows extreme fever for water. Rabies in fatal disease, however, fatally can be prevented by before vaccinations. Once of symptoms start to appear within 175 days of dog bite. Symptoms of rabies: fever for 2 to 12 weeks, exaggeration in behavior. My third topic is non-infectious disease. Cancer: uncontrolled abnormal cell growth is called as cancer. Group or lump of cancer is called as malignant tumor. Cancer can occur in virus organs like lungs, mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, ureter, skin, and tissues like lungs. Reason of cancer: consumption of gutka, tobacco, smoking, alcoholism, and lack of fiber content food, in exercise, pizza, burger, etc. Diabetes is normal person. There is secretion of insulin hormone from the pancreas. This hormone maintains the blood sugar level. In cause of diabetic pancreatitis, the sugar in the blood is never maintained. It is normal amount. Cause: heredity, obesity, lack of physical work or exercise, mental stress, anxiety. Preventative of measure control: proper diet, over carbohydrates and fats, taking proper medicine and treatment as per doctor advice, physical exercise and regular exercise. Diagnosis: to test the blood sugar level, HbA1c test. Treatment: injection of insulin or tablets that will stimulate the secretion of insulin. Complete control over diet. On the international level, India has largest numbers of diabetic pancreatitis of about 7 crores. Heart disease: heart is the efficiency of the heart decreased due to decreased blood supply and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscle. Due to this, heart has to perform more work than laid to test on it. This may cause heart attack. If someone has heart attack, immediate consultation to doctor and treatment is necessary. Reason of heart attack: smoking, diabetes, alcoholism, lack of physical exercise, heredity, obesity, anger, anxiety. Thank you.